Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest today.
Hi, my name is Treasure. You know me.
Today? I know you.
Please, I beg you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a special guest here today.
Hi.
That's my friend Treasure. I featured her on a video here on the channel before, but if you guys are not familiar, that's my twinnie. So she's going to be doing something to my hair today. I don't know what she's doing.
Something for me.
I don't know what she's doing, but I trust her.
I don't know what I'm doing either, but you know.
Let me tell you guys a little bit. My hair is 2 weeks post-wash day, so I haven't washed. We're going into the 3rd week, and I just keep renewing these cornrows, but this is back. So we're just going to style it, and then let's see how it goes. So I'm not going to moisturize. I don't want, because I'm trying to avoid product buildup. So I'm not going to moisturize, but let's see.
Also, Eve doesn't let me touch her hair like this. So the fact that she's allowed me to do an entire hairstyle of her hair, it means that she loves you guys so much. So you guys should appreciate by giving this video a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and hyping me. No matter the end, just hype me, okay? I'm not a hairstylist.
So let's start. So I should loosen this, right?
Yes, please. Should I wait for you to loosen it? But
You can.
I agreed to do new hair. I don't agree to lose old hair for you.
Wow.
Do you understand? This is not a salon.
Wow.
Do you understand me?
Wow.
I have principles.
What?
I have principles.
What does that mean? So guys, this is one of those videos where I was going to do an entire detailed explanation about the hairstyle and what inspired the hairstyle and you know, that kind of stuff. But I won't say anything really inspired this look. We were just sitting around, and then I was complaining about not really having content to post. So Treasure was like, why doesn't she style my hair, since she has always wanted to style my hair? And I was like, you know what, that's not a bad idea, let's do it. So we just got to styling, and at the end of this video, you're going to see what came out of this styling session. By the way, my girl Treasure is not a hairstylist, so she did her absolute best, which was something that I was proud of, and it's actually a style that I would gladly wear out. So regarding my hair, I was at a point where I was not really washing my hair. I think as at the time we shot this video, I had taken down my protective style, which I wore for 2 weeks, and it was like a week after the takedown. So my hair is 3 weeks since my last wash, as at the time we made this hairstyle. As at the time I'm posting this video, it has been 4 weeks since my last wash. So I know now I'm guilty of not washing my hair just now. I mean, we all have that time in our lives where you can't just really keep up, you know, with things like hair care, and it's okay as long as it's not something that happens constantly. So this is a table that I'm on, which I always tell you guys about, that you should try and wash your hair, try and keep your hair moisturized. I made sure that my hair was thoroughly moisturized throughout these 4 weeks that I didn't wash. But I want to say that I wasn't moisturizing too often, because once you moisturize your hair, you have to apply something like an oil, even if it's an oil, just to make sure that your hair does not completely dry out. So I was applying my oils, but I was also not applying too much oil because there was already product buildup on my scalp, and I was not trying to have an overload of product buildup. So if you guys are at a stage in your natural hair journey where you find yourself not washing your hair as often as you once used to, or not just caring for your hair as often as you once used to, I'm going to say first, it's okay. You don't have to beat yourself up about it. You can just take your time, do what you can, don't feel bad about it. But while you're doing what you can, also try and make sure that you are at least doing the bare minimum, such as maybe sleeping with your satin scarf or on your satin pillowcases, and you know, oiling your scalp and your hair when you need to. So I don't think I'm going to be talking much in this video anyway. I usually pick a topic for videos like this, and I just talk to you guys about it. But for this particular video, guys, my energy is really low, so I'm just gonna add some music and let you guys enjoy the video.